Hello friends, today we discuss about equities, shares, bonds, debentures. I worked more than 12 years in 1980 in finance department. We normally used to verify all these physical documents, paper documents to transfer the shares, transposition, split, consolidation, merge. All these activities we process under uh, scrutiny. All these verification did physically, but now the format has changed. Now, government introduced in 1996 electronic form. Under this reformation of process, introduced demat account. Equities, securities, electronic account under the Depository Act 1996. Government has introduced demat account. Full form abbreviation is dematerialization of account. Electronic form of equities, shares, bonds maintained through demat account maintained by banks and depository participants mediate between customers, investors, maintained through banks. Investors A. Investors open demat account through banks. B. Banks and depository participants maintain these demat accounts. C. In India, stock market categorized NSDL, National Securities Depository Limited, and CSDL, Central Securities Depository Limited. Once demat account opened by investor, bank give password to operate demat account to buy and sell securities in stock market through electronic online portals. It is more convenient and without papers, electronically operations through all the securities, equities, shares through demat account. Thank you very much.